Hey guys, we are back working on the 2002 Acura MDX Touring. We are continuing work on the torque converter solenoid, shift solenoids, and pressure switches. And today I'm showing you how to replace the single linear shift solenoid. Now the easiest way to get at that is once again behind this wheel well. If you don't know how to remove that, I'm sure there is some great tutorial online, but basically you remove the plastic clips, and once you do, it will expose this. You might be familiar with replacing your third and fourth gear pressure switches, but for the single linear switch, it is actually directly behind the fourth gear pressure switch, which is located right here. So that is the single linear switch. Pretty easy. 4 bolts, 1, 2 on top and 2 on bottom. Pull those off, wipe it off, put in your new, plug in the clamp cable, and you are good to go.